Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all, kids? I hope you all are fine with good health and in Iman. As you know, kids, again online classes are going to start, so that submit your task on Monday, 7th December. Now, students, before starting our topic, first of all, raise your hands for dua and recite dua. Say, Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase me in my knowledge. Ameen. Now, kids, open your maths book, page 98. Also mention date and day at the top of your page. As you know, kids, we learned in previous topic that fraction is something that divides shapes and objects in number of equal parts. So, we continued this. Look at this and tell me, what is this? Excellent, this is a circle. और अगर हम सर्कल को दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड करें, like this, then one part is called 1/2, like this. And further, if we divide this circle into 4 equal parts, then this one part is said to be 1/4 of a whole. 1/4 of a whole. But now, kids, we discuss 1/3. Today our topic is 1/3. When a shape or an object is divided in 3 equal parts, then each part is 1/3 of a whole. 1/3 of a whole. Similarly, if we divide a circle or an object into 5 equal parts, then each part is 1/5 of a whole. Say with me, 1/5 of a whole. Very good. And kids, when a shape or an object is divided into 8 equal parts, then each part is 1/8. 1/8 of a whole. So what is a fraction? Fraction is something that divide any object, any number of equal parts. Now kids, look at your page 98. Look at this. 1/2. Very good. Excellent. 1/2. What is this? Very good. Excellent. Each part is quarter of a whole. Each part is quarter of a whole. And this is 1/3. 1/3 of a whole. Very good. Now look at this part. Now kids, look at this question. Unit fraction. How we write fraction? Like this. Like this. 1/8 and its name is 1/8. Now kids, look at this. I divide a whole circle into 8 equal parts. So each one part is 1/8. How we write fraction? Like this. 1/8 and its name is 1/8. So kids, now kids, look at your part B. First of all, count with me all parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 parts. How we write fraction? Over here, And its name also? Very good. Excellent. 1/7. And tell with me. Now kids, solve these all sums by yourself. Okay kids? Very good. Now students, look at your page 99. Also mention date and day at the top of your page. Now kids, look at your question 1. More fractions which are resembling from simple fraction. So, coloring them and giving shapes correctly. Now kids, tell me how we color 2/5 in this circle. Very good. Excellent. So, this is 2/5. This is 2/5. Color 2 boxes and from whole 5 parts. From whole 5 parts. Similarly, do all these all parts by yourself. Okay kids? Very good. Now kids, tell me what is the name of this fraction? Very good. 1/2. 1/2. How we write 1/2? Like this. Good students. Now tell me how we write its name? 1/2. Like this. Now kids, look at your question 2. Name the given fractions. Now first of all, look at your part A. Tell me how we name them? 4/5. 4/5. Similarly, look at part B. Name them 3/6. 3/6. Similarly, do all parts by yourself. Very good. Now kids, look at these shaded parts. These are how many parts? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are total 8 parts. Now tell me how many are shaded? Excellent. Very good. These are 3 parts. Then tell me how we write unit fraction? Like this. These are shaded parts which are 3 parts. From total parts which are 8 parts of a whole. These are total 8 parts. So, this is a unit fraction. Now, look at your page 100 and also mention date and day at the top of your page. Now, look at your question 1. Write fraction for the shaded parts. This is a triangle. Now, how many parts it have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts में ये triangle divide है. And how many part colored? 1 part. So unit fraction is 1/3. Similarly, do all these sums by yourself. Good. Now students, open your page 61. Also mention date and day at the top of your page. Let us multiply 8. There is a bunny. Bunny is jumping in eights on a real line. On a real line. Which line is this? This is a real line. And what is Bunny doing? Bunny is jumping. So kids, मैंने आपको बताया था कि जब आपने रियल लाइन पे जंप करना होता है, अगर आपने 8 का जंप लेना है तो व्हाट यू कैन डू, आप 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड 8 उसमें ऐड करेंगे, फिर उसमें 8 से लेके आगे 8 लाइंस ऐड करेंगे, तो 8 इन जंप्स. नाउ काउंट इन 8s and then 8s and then 8s, you get a number and a table of 8. Okay, good. Now look at your question 7. Count in 8s and fill in the missing numbers. अब आपने 8 से अगला नंबर बताना है. 8 में 8 ऐड करें. Good. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Write over here 16. Now again count 8 numbers more. Like this, you can solve all missing numbers. Very good. Similarly, अब आप पार्ट बी पे आ जाएं. इस तरह आपने पार्ट बी स्टार्ट करना है. 0 से 8 तक जाना है. 0 में 8 लाइंस ऐड करें. Yes, 8 is here. 8 more. 16 is here. 24 is also written here. Add 8 more number in 24. Very good. 32. Now kids, coloring the squares by counting in 8s. अब आपने 8 नंबर काउंट करने हैं और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्क्वायर को कलर करना है. अब इस 8 से आगे 8 बॉक्सेस और काउंट करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. विच नंबर इज दिस? 16. तो आपने इसको कलर करना है. अब आप फिर 16 से आगे 8 काउंट करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which number is this? This is 24. Now kids, finish coloring and squares like this. Okay kids, अब आपने पेज नंबर 62 ऐसे ही होमवर्क करना है. जैसा कि आपने अभी पहले टेबल 8 याद किया, अब आपने पेज 62 होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना है और मंडे 7 दिसंबर को सबमिट भी करवाना है. और जो काम आप मंडे को सबमिट करवाएंगे वो 9 से 10 बजे के दरमियान ही होगा सबमिट. ओके किड्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़, फ़ी अमानिल्लाह.